All right, man, I did it. I got one of the birds out, and then I got the other one in this bucket right here. I just want to let everybody know birds are safe. I'm about to let this one free. Let's get it out of the garage. Set this guy free. I think it was a male or female. There it goes. That was insane. I'm beat. That was scary. It's all over. I made a mess. Alright, we gotta go check out the bathroom because I don't think my wife's gonna be happy about this. So that's from the pot that I used to trap them. There's dirt left in there. That's the fan in the toilet. It goes up there on the ceiling. I was gonna trap them with the garbage bag, and it's pretty high up, so I got my ladder. I got the hockey net in here. I got the sprays that were already in here, the soap, broken pieces of the pot. It's plastic, no big deal. It's just a mess in here. Those birds were going crazy. Alright, I gotta fix this stuff before my wife gets home. She's gonna kill me. Alright, I'm out of here. Bye.